G'day, Mark from Mustard Bikes here. We're in the workshop with the 2021 Yamaha MT-09. We're going to run you through the installation process of our pillion peg delete and brake reservoir mount kit. Let's go grab some tools and get started. To complete the job, we need a 3mm Allen key and a 6mm Allen key. We like to use the T-bars, an 8mm spanner, and then in the kit you'll find the two brackets as well as a single M5 bolt. Use the 8mm spanner to remove the nut holding on the rear brake reservoir. You can then pull out the keeper bracket and remove the brake reservoir from the pillion peg. Take your 6mm Allen key and remove the two bolts holding on the pillion peg. When removing the last bolt, just watch the spacer behind the bolt that it doesn't fall away. We'll need this when reinstalling the next bracket. We can then reinstall the Mustard Bikes bracket using the original spacer and the original bolts. We then take the supplied M5 bolt, run that through the reservoir and through the bracket, and then using the original nut, bolt that in place. We can then use the 3mm Allen key and the 8mm spanner again to do that up properly. All that remains is to fit the last bracket on the other side. We use the 6mm Allen key to remove the two bolts and then refit it using those original bolts and original spacer. And that completes the install. If you haven't yet purchased the product, you can do so at mustardbikes.com, where we also have a range of other products for the MT-09, including a tail tidy and a screen. Don't forget to let us know how you went on our socials on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.